Okay. So in Olympiad for grade 4, now we are moving ahead to our next topic, which is perimeter or area. What is mean by perimeter? See, if any figure is there, we learn about the different geometrical shapes in the last lecture. So what are those geometrical shapes which we learn in the last lecture? I will draw some of them. We learn about triangle, we learn about square, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, and all. Now here, while talking about perimeter, we always consider the closed figure, closed shape. We learn in the last chapter about closed and open geometrical shapes. So we are not calculating the perimeter of open figures. We are calculating the perimeter of closed figure only, which are made up of this line segment and this angular portion angle. Okay. So this figure is called as rectilinear figure also, and we are studying about perimeter. So we are considering only this rectilinear figure, which are closed one, which are bounded by some uh, line segments. So we are just talking about the closed figures. Okay. Now we'll go through the topic. So perimeter, a plane figure or a closed figure bounded by line segment and composed of angular corners is known as rectilinear figure. I had shown you. Polygon, we go through this terminology in the last chapter. Polygon has a wide range from triangle to septagon, octagon. Okay. And about the polygon, we learn one more thing, that some polygons are irregular and some polygons are regular ones. Okay. So here for perimeter, we consider both irregular and regular figure also. Okay. Now see, these are some geometrical figures, and here they had shown that circle has no line segment. Okay. And so circle is not a rectilinear figure. Circle is not a rectilinear figure, but besides circle, triangle, square, hexagon, this irregular shape, this pentagon, which is this quadrilateral, which is irregular one, it is all included in the rectilinear figure, which are closed figure bound by line segment and angular component. So we are considering about them in the perimeter section. Now one example is given, that find the perimeter of the given figure below, and measurements are given to us. So see, this is the figure and we have to find the perimeter of it. So perimeter is nothing but the addition of all the sides. Perimeter is nothing but the addition of all the sides. So this is a irregular closed figure, and while calculating its perimeter, we have to add this side plus this side plus this side plus this side plus this side and this side. So just add them. 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 18, 18 plus 6, 24, and plus 4, 28. So perimeter of this rectilinear figure is 28 centimeter. So like this you have to calculate. Now perimeter of triangle. So while calculating the perimeter of triangle, we know the triangle have different types, like equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle. So if the triangle is equilateral triangle, then all the sides have equal length. So what we do while calculating the perimeter of equilateral triangle, we just multiply the side length with 3. So we get the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. While considering the isosceles triangle, which has two identical sides, suppose this is ABC, one isosceles triangle. So what we do to calculate its perimeter, we multiply one of the side with 2 and add the remaining unequal side. That is, BC is not equal to AB and AC. So we just add AB twice AB plus BC. So perimeter is nothing but the addition of all the sides ka length. Okay, the same thing is given here. Okay, now equilateral triangle also I have shown you. Now we'll go through some examples. Now see, find the perimeter of the isosceles triangle whose base is 4.5 centimeter and one of the equal side is 5.5. I already told you what we are going to do here. Now see, base is 4.5 and one of the side is 5.5. So one of the side multiplied by 2 plus this base is our answer. So same thing is given here. 2 into length of the one of the equal side plus base is the perimeter of the isosceles triangle. So multiply 5.5 with 2 and add 4.5 in it. So 2 multiplied by 5.5 is equal to 11 plus 4.5. So it becomes 15.5 centimeter. Now equilateral triangle, if we have to calculate its perimeter and one of the side is given, so the formula is simple, 3 into side, whatever it is. Okay, so 3 into 21, so answer is 63. Okay, now talking about quadrilateral. While talking about the quadrilateral ka perimeter, if it is a irregular one, then just add all the sides, this side plus this side plus this side plus this side. But if it is a rectangle, then what you will do? Now see, while we are talking about the rectangle, consider the figure of rectangle. This is rectangle. These two sides are of equal length. I see अब. These two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. So when we say add this side plus this side plus this side plus this side, then bigger side of the rectangle is called as length and this is called as breadth. So formula for rectangle ka perimeter of rectangle is L plus B plus B. So it can be written as 2L plus 2B. So 2 we can take common. So it is L plus B multiplied by 2. So what is the benefit of it? So if they had given to us the perimeter of rectangle and length of the rectangle is given to us, that so is the length and perimeter is this, we can find the breadth of the rectangle. If length and breadth both are given, we can find the perimeter of the rectangle by using this formula. Yes, 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So perimeter of the rectangle we can find. Okay, you didn't understood. Breadth means chota side, length means bigger side. Now see, if the rectangle ka perimeter is 10 centimeter, okay, and length is 2 centimeter, 2 nahi 4 centimeter say, okay. So we have to find the breadth of the rectangle. So what we do, just put the figures in this formula. Perimeter is 10, 2 multiplied by length is 4, breadth is we don't know, so variable x, or you can say breadth b. Now this 2 is multiplied here, so when we 2 come to this side, it goes into the division. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 4 plus b. 2 5 are 10. 5 is equal to 4 plus b. So b is equal to 5 minus 4 means 1. Because 4 come to this side, b will remain alone to get the answer. So 1 centimeter is the breadth of the rectangle. So what we learn here, the formula for perimeter of the rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length of the rectangle plus breadth of the or width of the rectangle. Okay, multiplied by 2. Now talking about the square. Now this is the figure of square, and when we talk about the square, all sides are of equal length. So perimeter is 1, 2, 3, 4 का addition means 4 times the side. Simple. Like equilateral triangle, 3 times the side is the perimeter of equilateral triangle. So 4 times the side is the perimeter of the square. Now same thing is given here. Rectangle is given and its perimeter ka formula is given. Now see in the example, perimeter of the rectangle we have to find and length and breadth is given. Just add both of them, 17.5 plus 13.5, it becomes 31, and 31 multiplied by 2 means 62 is the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of square ka formula also I taught you. Now we have to calculate the perimeter of irregular shape. Okay, now see this shape is irregular. We cannot say it is a square or it is a rectangle. Then how you will going to calculate its perimeter? So we have to calculate this side plus 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 this side. But we don't know the measurement of this, measurement of this. So we have to draw the imaginary line here and here. Okay, now this is rectangle chota. I will show with the another color. This is one rectangle. This is one rectangle. This is one rectangle. Now see, this is a upper rectangle. First we consider. Then you can see upper rectangle. This is 2 centimeter. So opposite side is also 2 centimeter. But whole length is how much? 5 centimeter. So this portion is 5 minus 2, that is 3 centimeter. So we got the measurement of this side, that is 3 centimeter. Understood? Okay, now we will calculate this one. Now see, this is a rectangle. So 4 centimeter side length of the rectangle. Here also it is 4. Here also it is 4. And this is also one rectangle. So opposite side equal length. So this is 7. So this total length is 11 centimeter. Okay. Now add. Just we have to add it. 4 plus 5 9 plus 11 4 plus 5 plus 11 plus this 3 plus 7 plus 2 and 4 we had already taken. So 9 plus 14 plus 9. 9 9 ja 18 plus 14. So it is 32 centimeter perimeter of the irregular shape. The same thing is given here. Okay. Now this is again one irregular figure and we have to find its perimeter. But see, in this figure we can see small squares are there here. So if this is 2 centimeter, this is also 2 centimeter, this is also 2 centimeter, this is also 2 centimeter. So just calculate the sides, outer sides of the square and you can find the perimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 sides are there and multiplied by 2 centimeter, which is the measurement of one side. So answer is 24 centimeter perimeter of the irregular shape. Okay, now again one irregular shape is given and you have to find the perimeter. I think you understood what is the theme here. Now see, draw the imaginary line. We'll change the color. Draw the imaginary line. Draw the imaginary line. Give these points as A, B, C, D, E, F, G for better understanding. Now AB we know, AG we know it is 4. Okay, and this whole length is 12 centimeter. Here also we can draw one imaginary line. So see, what is the length of BC? Now you can see this is a rectangle. So width is equal to width and length is equal to length. So BC is 10 centimeter because this is 10 centimeter. CD is 1 centimeter because this is also one rectangle. Now what is the, here also we give one point H. What is the length of CH? See, CF is equal to DE. So CF is 12 centimeter. So what is the length of CH? 12 minus 2, that is 10 centimeter. Okay, but we don't need this because we have to find the perimeter. So inner side we don't bother. Okay, so no need to calculate this 10 centimeter here. Just add this 4 plus 4 8 plus 10 18 19 plus 12 21 31 32 34 44 and 4, that is 48. So this is the perimeter of the figure. I took 4 two times and again I took the 4. So 44 is the perimeter of the figure. We didn't need to calculate the length of this side because we are finding the perimeter. And while finding the perimeter, we just consider the outer borders, outer line segments. No need to calculate the inner one. Okay. Understood till now? Now the next topic is area of the square, rectangle, triangle we have to find, but that topic we will take in the next class. Till then revise whatever we had taken. So see you soon.